So I'm Program Director for the Rail Operations Centre program. We're building a new control centre which will consolidate all the operations centres of Sydney Trains, and at the same time we're replacing a number of the systems that we use to control and manage the day of operations, which is the single day where we look at the way that the trains run and manage the network for our customers. So absolutely it's something that needs to be done, partly because of the growth challenge that Sydney has. We're increasing in population, increasing in rail services. What we need to do is respond to that by providing a level of resilience into the day of operations, and we need to optimise the way that our timetable works. We've selected the Quintic product for that, in particular because of the optimisation piece, which allows us to dynamically change the way that we manage our timetable on the day once incidents occurs. What it means is that we'll be able to respond to incidents much more quickly, we'll be able to restore the service much more quickly, and what that also means is we can provide a single source of truth to our customers so that when we do have disruptions, we can get the trains moving more quickly and tell our customers at exactly the same time how it is being fixed, when it will be resolved, and the best way that they can travel. Look, in a perfect world you have no disruption, but that's simply not possible because we live in a constrained environment where you would need to leave too much unused capacity on a network to manage around disruption. So we're in the advantageous position now that we can use advanced analytics tools to work at a higher level of resilience with a higher level of resource utilization. So it's critical for our customers, but it's also critical for our network and our funding base to make sure that we're getting the best use of our assets. Oh, look, we have a healthy competition between operators, as you'd expect. We're very, very proud of the fact that we've come a long way with customer satisfaction already. This is going to take us to the next level so that we can ensure we're doing the right thing for our customers. And we're making sure that we're building a world-class facility at the same time. So not just world-class good practice in Australia, but world-class compared to other operators around the world. Look, we've got to get this done first, and when we get this done, we'll look at the next challenges, but we've got a lot of growth coming on the network, a lot of new services, a lot of patronage growth. We're going to have to deal with the integration of the new Northwest Rail Corridor services. Once we get that done, there'll be all sorts of development happening in the future, and I'm sure we'll be part of it.